Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a photo album on Facebook step by step. So, let's get started. First, open your browser, type Facebook in the search bar, and press enter. Make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once Facebook opens, click on your profile picture to go to your profile page. Then scroll down and click on the Photos section. Next, select the Albums tab and click on Create Album. After that, enter a name for your album. Now click on the Upload Photos option and select the photos from your computer that you want to add to the album. Once the photos are uploaded, then click on the Post button to publish your album. In my case, the album was not created because of a temporary issue, but normally when you click the Post button, your Facebook album will be created successfully and visible on your profile. So that's it. If you like this video, then like, subscribe and press the bell icons for updates.